Hi, Viviana. You see that I have your file open, and so you're right. There's comments at the bottom. And my screen is not scrolling very quickly. Hold on a sec. Oh my goodness. So she's had some comments. I don't even see the comments at the bottom, but if you see over here, um, it's opening. Oops, I'm double clicking. So there's a comment in the box. See comment 6. She said. So let's see where comment 6 is. Okay, I don't see that comment. So maybe we are missing something. Give me a second. Let's scroll back to the top. So these boxes are here. Okay, so doing some editing for you. She's suggesting you change the wording there. So I think if you double click or single click, let's see, if I single click, the comment comes up. Change to pays. She's doing mostly editing. She's not giving you feedback on, like I've been doing, like strengths and weaknesses. Hyphenate, astronaut related. After the T, a hyphen between the R. So all of her comments are, it looks like, I'm not going to go through every single one of them. Okay, so here's an extended comment here. So if you click once, open the Word document and click once, the comment comes up and then you see, let me extend my video window here a little bit. So if I click once, oops, sorry, click once. And if you need to scroll down, you can right here. Okay, so this one's extended at the bottom of page 1, it looks like. So you're going to have to go through and click once on all of the comments, and then you'll get to see. So giving a correction on works in-text citation there. Another same, that was the same. Oh no, comment about asking you to add more explanation about alliteration or more identification about alliteration. So go through each of the comment boxes, see what the tutor says, and then I'm looking to see what you said in your email about an end comment. I don't see an end comment, but maybe she emailed you a comment or something, and that's what you're referring to. So that's how you would look at the comments in the file, and let me know if you need anything else, okay? Take care. I'll talk to you later.